Cicada celebration, food, fun, and friends.
Two young cicadas, Zippy and Zappy, were ready to break through the earth and see the bright sky for the first time in their lives. Zippy, a 13-year cicada, was small but had a powerful voice. Zappy, a 17-year cicada, was larger but much quieter. This year was special because both the 13-year cicadas and the 17-year cicadas were coming out at the same time in the Chicago area, an event that hadn't happened in 221 years.
Wow, Zappy, look at this world!
Exclaimed Zippy, her wings buzzing with excitement.
It's beautiful, Zippy. Let's explore and find out what all the buzz is about,
replied Zappy. As Zippy and Zappy flew around, they heard whispers about humans eating cicadas. They landed on a school where students were talking.
I heard people are preparing cicadas in all sorts of ways.
One student said.
They're frying them, making cicada sushi, and even making drinks.
Yuck! Who would eat bugs?
Said a little boy, scrunching up his nose. Zippy and Zappy exchanged concerned glances.
Zappy, do you think our families are being eaten?
Zippy asked quietly.
I hope not.
Zappy replied, his wings drooping a little.
Let's find out more.
First, they peeked into a cozy home where Mr. and Mrs. Hammond were busy collecting fresh cicada nymphs from their backyard. Mrs. Hammond dipped the cicadas in batter and fried them until they were golden brown.
These are crunchy and delicious,
Mrs. Hammond said, offering one to a TV reporter. Next, Zippy and Zappy flew to a restaurant where Chef Yoon was preparing fancy dishes with cicadas. He made cicada sushi roll.
People should know that cicadas are nutritious and can be prepared in gourmet styles.
Chef Yoon explained.
I feel so sad,
Zippy said.
Look at this cookie store, Zippy,
Zappy pointed out. They saw a bakery selling cicada-shaped cookies. These cookies didn't contain real cicadas, but were decorated to look like them with chocolate and candy.
I noticed something,
Zippy said.
The people here see us as a special event, and they're learning from us.
Yes.
Zappy agreed.
It's a way for humans to connect with nature and understand us better.
As the weeks went by, Zippy and Zappy knew their time above ground was coming to an end. They had sung their songs, found mates, and ensured the next generation of cicadas would continue their cycle.
It's time to say goodbye, Zippy,
said Zappy.
Yes, but we'll be back.
Zippy replied with a smile.
In 13 and 17 years, our children will emerge and continue our story.
Zippy and Zappy dreamed of the day their descendants would rise again, filling the air with their joyous song.
My dear little and big friends, will you try cicada dishes? What do you find most interesting about cicadas? You can find the resource that inspired this story listed in our description. Enjoy!